Welcome to Sham's Kitchen Delicious Foods. The month of flowers, chocolate and candles. Let's dive into the sweetness of February. Coconut and chocolate truffles. All you need are 3 simple ingredients. In a bowl, pour 200 g of grated coconut, 300 ml of condensed milk. Give it a nice mix. Now that you have a well-blended mixture, prepare the coconut balls. Once ready, simply refrigerate for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to prepare the delicious melted chocolate. In a saucepan, boil some water, place another saucepan on top of it, and pour 120 g of chocolate. Leave them on the stove for a couple of minutes to get this delicious melted chocolate. Finally, we just need to dip our coconut balls into the melted chocolate. Refrigerate for another 30 minutes before serving, and voila, it's ready! Hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment, thumbs up and note down, and see you on the next one.